Good morning everyone. Today we are saying goodbye to Labuan Bajo and we're gonna board the boat right now to Komodo Islands. And the good news is that we have the entire boat to only 3 of us. Yeah, just Imam, Amalia and myself. Okay, maybe we would upgrade to the AC room if it's too hot. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're at the port of Labuan Bajo right now. You see there's a huge container ships around. There's a lot of containers there because this is the main port for them to bring things into Flores. And that's our boat. That's where we're gonna sleep for the next 3 days and 2 nights. Woohoo, excited! Guys, that's the petrol station for boats. Wow, interesting. Okay guys, this is the toilet with running water. Yeah, so you can have a shower. And then this is the kitchen. And this is the stove. Oh, lots of noodles. Noodles, yeah. Yeah, and then banana as well. Wow, well stocked. And there's vegetables. Green vegetables. Yeah, rice. Wow, water. This will be for fish, is it? For fish? Yeah. It's very loud, but this is the engine room. Woohoo! First stop, Pulau Kelor. Oh, that looks like a pretty steep climb. Yep. Yeah, so probably have to keep my camera for now. It's pretty steep for about 15 minutes of climb, and then I think going up is not a concern, going down will be a concern because it's quite slippery. Yeah, probably not a good idea to come here during rainy season. Dry season like this is fine. So we are at the top. Welcome to Pulau Kelor, guys. This is the photo spot. Quite interesting, very beautiful because the water is really blue. Definitely worth the climb. Gosh, I'm sweating like a but this is the right photo spot for you to take a good picture of Kelor. You don't have to go to the absolute top, just stay somewhere near here where you get this kind of view. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful, but we're going to the next island right now. We survived going down just now. It was really steep and really slippery. It's a lot harder than going up, but we survived. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Okay. Abang Jo kan? Yeah. Jo, Abang Jo. Okay. Guess what time it is? It's time to snorkel! So done with snorkeling. There's a lot of really cool fishes like the long fish, and then there's some angel fish and some parrot fish. I think that's what they call. Some parts of the corals are actually still quite nice and still quite colorful. Not that bad. And now off to see Komodo in Rinca. Okay, that's Rinca. And it takes about 1.5 hours to get there from the snorkeling place just now. In the meantime though, let's have lunch. Vegetables, tofu, fish, noodles and rice. So good. We made it to Rinca Island, so now it's time to explore. A lot of trekking right now. Hopefully we get to see some Komodos today, because Rinca Island has more Komodos than Komodo Island itself. It's about 1,500 Komodos according to latest statistics, and it's only about 1,200 Komodos in Komodo Island. So yeah, there's higher chance of you seeing proper Komodos here, and it's also more pristine here than in Komodo. Yeah, might be a better experience. Yeah, first Komodo of the day. That's a really small Komodo, and it's trying to hunt the monkeys. It's a standoff between the Komodo and the monkeys, and the Komodo just walk away.
Of course. But I mean, they're not running, you know.
Okay, so God, that's a Komodo dragon. It's so huge, man. I am quite worried, to be honest, because they can run about 20 kilometers per hour. I definitely cannot outrun that. Guys, that's the first proper Komodo dragon, and they are very fast, so don't try to outrun them because it's about 18 to 20k per hour. It's really huge, guys. Just to give you a comparison, this is my hand. From like a few meters away, there is a really huge dragon, and their gender can be determined by their size. The bigger ones are the male dragons, so there's about 3 male dragons and 2 female at the end, because the female are usually smaller.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Bye, beautiful dragons. Nice to meet you. Hope to see you again. What an encounter with the dragons just now. I'm so nervous, but at the same time, I'm quite confident that they're quite tame. The ones in Rinca and in Komodo Islands, they're used to human contact, so they're not that aggressive towards humans. Maybe aggressive towards animals, like other animals, but not towards humans. But be careful, guys. Remember that if you're bleeding in any areas in your body, you should not be visiting Rinca or Komodo, because it is quite dangerous, because they can smell your blood from like 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer away, and they might bite you. Their saliva is actually poisonous, so one bite with that is gonna expose you to like 6 very dangerous bacteria, and yeah, you might get in a lot of trouble. Those holes in the ground, those are Komodo nests. It's only for the Komodos to keep their eggs, and it's not for them to stay. One interesting fact is that the Komodo dragons are actually cannibalistic. So as soon as the eggs hatch, the children Komodo, like the small Komodos, they will quickly climb up into the trees, because they might be eaten by their own parents. They will just stay hidden in the trees until they are old enough to come out and hunt, basically. Wow, guys, this is the unobstructed view of the entire island. Wow, Rinca, you are amazing. Ta-da! The landscape is so different than what we see in the rest of Southeast Asia. Look at the lack of trees in most of the hilltops. Wow! Beautiful! Bye, Rinca. Bye, good buffalo. Okay, poor guys, you are the main source of food for the Komodo dragons. I hope you live a long and prosperous life. Thank you. Terima kasih. Wow. Oh, there's a kayak on top of the boat, so you can just let it go and you can kayak on it. Maybe we'll do that. Yeah. Bye bye, jangan lupa sama saya. Guys, check out the corals. You can see it from the boat. Wow, no problem to see it at all. Check this side out, guys. What? Guys, I think not many people know about this place. Normally it's just a docking area. It's slightly dirty, but I found some really cool corals, guys. Check it out. Look at that, you can see it from the surface, and that side as well. Lots and lots of corals, man. Okay, let's see what's in there. Amazing, right? So we are chilling and messing around while waiting for the bats to appear on that island. It's gonna be epic as the sun goes down. Okay, so the sun is starting to set and we're moving out from this place already, so we cut out from the mooring and we're gonna head towards that island right now. But it's starting to drizzle! Oh no! Guys, the bats are starting to come out. Can you see them? Wow, look at that, guys. Those are bats. Batman! Okay, here are the bats. Bye guys, see you again. Oh, and that's octopus. Oh my god, so huge, so huge. Oh man. Okay, octopus. Oh, so nice, so nice. Oh my god, so nice. Guys, just now because of that octopus sighting, they dropped a plate of tempeh. But nevertheless, dinner is served. Ta-da!
Later.
I guess it's time to hit the bed. This is how our beds look like. Pretty tiny room, so there's like a bed for two over here and there's like AC over there. Yeah, not bad. Well equipped, just a bit small, so we probably have to figure out how to fit everything in. But yeah, so this is the end of the vlog for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget me.